One of us, if they do, I'ma bust, please don't reach for no chain. Not about to say, but it's more about respect. If they give me upset, they gon' die, that's on game. Ran on my check.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Juju D. It's a sad video. The monkey down. So, I don't know what to do because we took monkey down. So, I heard there was a new app they made, which I downloaded, and like I hopped on it, but like I ain't like do nothing on it, so I want to make a video on it. So man, let me stop playing, man. Welcome back to another bang in the day. I'm finna try this new app called Wavyy, so you already know. Hey, I was like shocked, bro. Alright, so y'all heard that I got a phone call right quick, so you already know what I'm finna do now. I'm finna hop on this Wavyy out. I don't know. I heard it wasn't that good, but I don't know. But I know it's like age strict. So you know I have a lot of my age, cause you already know I got to do videos on it. Alright, man, so man, y'all see my profile. I'm gonna start screen recording now, so see what it's talking about, man. I'm in the country now, so y'all don't say nothing. If it's like, alright, screen record going up, 3, 2, 1, boom. So you already know, man. So y'all, underage user, so I am really 18. Oh crap! What they doing? What? My face in the square. Alright, so let's see what these doing talking about. Hold up, I don't want to talk about. Hold up, I'm gonna try to see what this. Oh, crowd, yeah, that's just right here. Let's see what this I'm talking about. Hey, is this a good out?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Appreciate it. Alright, so they said it's a good out, so you already know what I gotta do. I gotta do something. I'm gonna ask, like, see how many. Hey, this a good out.
Hello?
This a good out.
Huh?
This a good out. Tripping, not tweaking. In it. I'm shut up. Hey, it's a good out.
Hey, what's up, man?
Ha! Gay!
You know what? I'm gonna set up the dude, man. No gay story. This kind of came out wrong. So. Hey, this a good out. This a good out. This a good out.
Yeah.
Alright, so you already know, man. I'm gonna have to record some bangers on this jump, man. Feel me? I don't know why name like Han, so I know they be hearing me. So keep it like short. Hey, this will get out.
No.
Oh, it's not?
It's not that.
It's dry and stuck. Have to sit all over again.
Damn. Dang. Let's ask this one. Hey, this will get out. This will get out.
Yup.
Oh, so they trying to get out.
Like that.
I don't know what you just said. No, she is too little to be on this joint. Oh, he got skill. Oh, I didn't know that was a girl. So I clicked it. So I mean, not a girl, dude. That's Alright, this is good. Hey, this a good out. Is this a good out?
It's okay.
Alright. Hey, bro. It's like, I don't know. It's like the sound and stuff. Like the connection. Hey, this a good out. Hey. Oh, she was really spitting. Might have to spit some. Hey man, I might do that, bro. I be watching my boy Wavyy, man. I might have to do like that fake rapper stuff. Put on some beat, right? Just be rapping some lame stuff. Hey, this is a good out.
Okay, for me it's working.
It's like the connection on the video chat really ain't that good. It ain't really that good, man. I just had to add someone, man. We want better than Monkey, cause like this last one. Hey,
Sure,
this a good out.
Where are these black people come from? Where did all these black people come from these days? They look like bush off the trees. A bush cabash. They look good up there.
No, I don't want to be on this now no more. Hey man, so they said it's good out, so you already know what I gotta do. I'm gonna record tonight, man. Record tonight, have this video out by tomorrow. Saturday, I'm gonna have the video out by Saturday. So man, we supposed to have some bangs for y'all, South Mafia, but turns out I could go. So, man, I'm record like, can I be your boyfriend or some video or something? So, before I end the video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next Wavyy video on tomorrow.